Hello children. Children, in this video we are going to learn about the Roman numerals. As we know, there are 10 basic Hindu-Arabic numerals. What are they? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are 10 basic Hindu-Arabic numerals. Same way, Romans are also having some basic numerals. So there are 7 basic Roman numerals. What are they, children? It is I, V, X, L, C, D and M. And when we give these values in Hindu-Arabic, so it will be I, it is 1, V, it is 5, X, 10, L is 50, C 100, D is 500 and for M children it is 1000. So children, we are going to use all these 7 basic numerals for writing the Hindu-Arabic numerals. Now you are in class 5. Already in class 4th you have applied I, V and X. In class 5 children, we will see the rules for L and C. So children, the rules to write Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals, we are covering only L and C. The first rule, children, X, when written to the right of L or C, it is added to that numeral. The second rule, children, X is subtracted from L and C only. The third step, 5 and L are never repeated, and yes, the fourth one, the 5 and L are never subtracted. These rules you have to follow when you are writing the Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals, or vice versa, when you are writing Hindu-Arabic numerals into Roman numerals. Let us see, children, some of the examples. Now we are converting the Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals. L stands for 50, X 10, because X is written to the right of L, so it is added. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many times 1 they have given? It is 3 times. So L, X, I. What is the total? It is 63. 50 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So L, X and 3 times I become 63 in Hindu-Arabic numerals. So the second example, L is 50 and X is written to the right, so it will be added. 50 plus 10, again X is there, plus 10, again X is there, plus 10, and then last is I. It is 1. So what is the total, children? Yes, it is 81. Children, you can see some of the basics also I have given you. From 1 to 10, very easy you can write. You have written in class 4th also. All the powers of tens, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. 100 you know it is C, 500 D, and for 1000 in Romans we write M. 20 children, it is X 2 times. Children, it is activity time. So what we are going to do, you can see a clock and the Roman numerals are given in place of Hindu Arabic numerals. So you are also going to make your own clock using Roman numerals from 1 to 12. Will you try? Yes, you have to. So have fun, and children, stay strong, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.